Hello everyone, it's Nady, and today we'll be unboxing this month's BoxyCharm. As you beautiful people know, this is about the products, not the people behind them. Any tiff you may have with them, please cast it away because this is a channel of positive energy. Okay? Thank you. For those of us who are a little bit unfamiliar with BoxyCharm, it is a $21 a month beauty subscription service where each month you get over $100 worth of full-size luxury beauty items, and honey, these bitches do not fuck around, they come to slay the game. And you get things from all the top beauty brands, like we've gotten stuff from Tarte, Pure, Oprah, like so many amazing brands. And I'm not gonna lie, this is one of those services that I get so fucking excited about. Like, I don't look up any spoilers because I love the surprise so much. But just because I love this service doesn't mean I'm not gonna be 100% honest with you. If I love something in here, I'll tell you. If I hate it, I'll let you know. We are all family here and honesty is key. And with that being said, just like anything that I get for free, I will always let you know, and BoxyCharm does provide the service to me at no charge to review for you. And if at any point you decide, hey, I kind of fucking love that box, and you yourself would like to become a BoxyCharmer, BoxyCharm was kind enough to provide me with a link down below for you to use, but please do not feel obligated to go through me. It's there if you want it, I'm just saying. So without any further ado, let's open this little beast up. Yes, daddy. And there's always a little card that does have everything that you get on one side and then the theme of it on the other. So this month's theme is, okay. Oh, there we go. It is Caribbean Queen. Ooh, shit, we must be getting a lot of stuff this month. They had to do an extended card. Ooh, that excites me. Shit, Nady, calm your tits. All right, the first item we have is markers. Ooh, no, they're face brushes. Ooh, shit, those are really soft. And these are from the brand LUXE, which I believe we've gotten things from them before. My favorite blush brush in the world. I don't know if this is supposed to be a blush brush, but I use it as a blush brush. But this too is from LUXE, so I'm very excited to add these into my collection. It looks like we have a 660, Fuck. A 660 holy shit. Precision brush, oh my god, we got it. This next brush is a 522 tapered highlighter, and this last one is a 516 duo. Dubo. What the fuck is Dubo? This last one is a 516 duo fiber powder brush, which kind of makes me wonder what we're gonna get in this month's box, but the moment I opened this little pamphlet, I saw the brushes. I'm not gonna look at anything else, but this LUXE 3-piece flawless complexion brushes retails for $42. Wow, that's a lot of money for 3 brushes. But then at the same time, I paid $50 for a MAC brush, so it really isn't that bad. Anyway, for the foundation brush, this says, with less bristle density, this brush is perfect for applying both powder and liquid foundations to create a soft, diffused makeup look. For the tapered highlighter brush, they say, this fluffy tapered brush allows you to seamlessly apply your favorite powder highlighter to the high points of your face or set under your eye makeup. And finally, for the duo fiber brush, they say, use this ultra soft duo fiber brush to apply cream or powder makeup for a softer, flawless finish. Very, very nice. Hopefully I remember to use those because anytime we get brushes in BoxyCharm, I always forget about them until the end. But next up we have, is it finally lube? Ooh, close. It's Brazilian Bum Bum Cream. I'm not exactly sure. Is this legit for your ass? This is a fast absorbing cream that helps tighten. Oh my god, I do know some people who should use this as lube. That is very, very creamy looking. Holy shit, no joke, that smells like you're on a Caribbean island, like a pina colada mixed with vanilla and like a warm, salty breeze. Ooh, let's go ahead and rub some of that on our hand and see how this shit works. Ooh, that does sink into the skin really quickly. Let's just grab a little bit more of that. That does smell really good, but it's also a very, very strong fragrance. Like, I'm kind of hoping this doesn't linger because it's really potent. Woo! But otherwise, it's really good. Like, it's super moisturizing. I might have to take a bath in this shit later. And the packaging is actually really kind of cute. Like, I could store half a hard-boiled egg in this when the lotion's gone. This Brazilian Bum Bum Cream retails for $10. This says Brazilian Bum Bum Cream is inspired by the Brazilians' favorite feature, Le Boom Boom. It's creamy and rich in guarana, a native Amazonian plant whose fruit contains one of the most potent forms of caffeine. I always thought guarana was, like, terrible for you. Let me just Google this. They say small amounts are probably not harmful. That's very convincing. That's like saying if you hold a metal rod up during a lightning storm, you're probably not gonna get hit, but are you still gonna do it? Whatever though, this still smells good. This says, the fast absorbing texture contains just enough mica to add a Brazilian glow. Ooh, that's kind of fun. And the formula helps your body to look and feel its smoothest and its tightest. And it's fragranced with pistachio caramel. I mean, it does really smell good. I feel like I'm in a Yankee Candle right now. But next up, what do we have? Finally, a pocket vibrator? No, even better, a tube of Oprah lipstick. Oh my god, and the shade is beautiful. I love brownish mauves. Ooh, and that smells really good too. This is in the shade Verona, not sure how you say that, but this definitely looks very similar to my natural lip shade, just a little bit better. And this is like the third or fourth Ophir lip product that I've gotten from BoxyCharm, and I am a big ass fan of Ophir lipstick, so I am super pumped about this. This Ophir long-lasting liquid lipstick retails for $21. This says Ophir's a long-lasting liquid lipstick is a one-step full lip color that does not feather. These vibrant colors will give you a vivacious new look. Vibrant colors? This is brown. Anyways, they are creamy in texture, moisturizing on the lips, and create a long-lasting lipstick effect, and no need to use lip liner. This liquid lipstick gives a beautiful edge to any lip look. Maybe other people got different shades, I'm not sure, but I mean, still, I'm really fucking happy with this. Like, I love that color. And next up, what do we have? Oh my god. Okay, I pulled this out of the box and my pervy ass saw a penis and then I saw a vagina. Like, what the hell? I'm still not even sure what this is. Ooh, it's lashes. They really need to work on that logo. Like, whoa. Ooh, those are really nice. They're like soft but kind of glam at the same time. I could get freaky with these. And for those of us concerned about the little minkies, these are not made with mink hair. These are 3D silk lashes. So yay for that. These Baddington Monroe silk lashes retail for $28. Holy shit! $28? Are these laced with gold or something? What the hell? I'm sorry, but I've never owned a fucking $30 pair of lashes. Like, I almost don't even want to use these. Of course, shit, yes, I will use them, but $28? That's more than this whole damn box was. Anyway, this says the 3D multi-layered Baddington Monroe silk lashes enhance your look with moderate length, adding a volume and length to your lashes. They're handmade with 100% silk and impressive durability, allowing up to 25 applications with proper care. Okay, that makes a little more sense. They're handmade and you can get a shit ton of uses out of these. Anyways, we are moving on. This box is still really heavy. Like, we got a packed ass box this month. This is a pencil of some sort. Ooh, an eyeliner pencil from the brand Jean Bleu. Or maybe it's Jean Bleu, I'm not quite sure. But this is the shade 903 Dark Brown. Ooh, that is really, really nice and creamy, but still kind of like on the hard waxy side, so it's not gonna melt off your face. This actually could not have come at a more perfect time because the brown eyeliner that I have is very expired and always ends up making my eyes really fucking red and irritated. This Jean Bleu waterproof eyeliner pencil retails for $5. That's not bad at all. Like, how is this cheaper than the eyelashes? The 100% vegan waterproof eyeliner pencil glides on smooth for an elevated eye look. Use along the upper lash or waterline. Yes, bitch, we will. And it feels like the last item is an eyeshadow palette. Ooh, it is an eyeshadow palette. That's actually a really pretty eyeshadow palette. I'm really digging these two shades right here. Let's just go ahead and swatch those. That is fucking gorgeous. Let's go ahead and see how they look on the hand. The green is a little bit patchy, but that blue, oh my god, that is fucking stunning. Like, I would gladly listen to my grandparents having sex for an hour if it meant that I got to keep this blue forever. Like, oh my god, that's pretty. Okay, maybe I wouldn't do that, but that blue is really fucking stunning. Let's see how these mattes are. Okay, they're a little bit kind of gritty feeling, but that doesn't really matter to me as long as it swatches and performs good, which... Oh, that's pretty nice. Try this orange and yellow on this hand. Oh, that's pretty nice too. And we have these last two ones on top. Where am I gonna put these? Let's try right there. Oh, shit. I know the swatches are a fucking mess, but do you see that? Oh, those are actually really good quality. This Alamar Reina del Caribe palette retails for $28, not too bad. But this palette features 8 highly opaque shades reminiscent of the beauty and cultures of Cuba. Dive into the pigments and pearls found in the intense metallics or ground your look with the warm richness of the creamy mattes. For a more intense application, refer to the shade names that feature a water droplet that can be used with a wet brush or the sun symbol for an application with a dry brush. That's actually kind of really fucking cool. So I'm very excited to use these products and create a look. Let's jump right into this shizzery. For foundation, I'm gonna go in with a combination of Cover FX Power Play in the shade N35 and Givenchy in the shade Mad Honey. And I don't typically use foundation brushes like this, but we're gonna give it a try. This brush soaked up a shit ton of product. Like, I probably got in with 7 or 8 pumps of foundation in total, which I don't know if it's just the foundation or if it's this brush or what. But for the most part, I think the brush seems to be doing an okay job. It's just not my favorite application method because it kind of looks like the foundation is sitting on top of my skin rather than pushed into my skin. For concealer, I'm just gonna use Tarte Shape Tape in the shade Light. And then to set under the eyes, they did say that you could use this tapered highlighter brush to do so, so we're just gonna take a little bit of Laura Mercier and do that. Like, it's fluffy enough to not pull on my skin, but it's dense enough so that I can push the powder in there. What the hell? Hello? There we go. I know you couldn't see what's going on, but in my monitor, there's a square around whatever face it's focused on, and the face was like right up there. Probably a damn ghost in here, ghost to my sex life. To prime the eyes, I'm gonna go in with this Cover FX lid lockup. Ouch. I ran over my own damn toe. Ouch. How does that even happen? There is already a big ass bruise over my toenail. Fucking shit, right in Flip Flop season 2. And it's like flatter now too. What the fuck? Anyways, let's get this eye look poppin'. So to start, I think on a fluffy brush, I'm gonna take some of this yellowy shade, which is Cocoa Taxi. Fuck, my toe hurts. Anyway, let's go ahead and place this right here in the crease, kind of use it as a transition shade. Oh, that's a really pretty color. But it definitely needs built up. Like, this is the third time I've dipped into the palette, and this is what we have. But still, the color is gorgeous. Like, this almost makes me not want to do like a big glam look like we always do, but I really wanted to use that blue shimmer. Then on a clean Morphe 433, I'm gonna lightly dip into Tropico, which we're gonna set on the crease right underneath that orange. Ooh, that's a really pretty color combination. Like, those go together very nicely. And they blend together great too, damn. And then right under that, let's just take a smidge of Guantanamera. Gonna put it right there and then bring it right on the crease. And I really want to use this light shade on the lid, but I'm so fucking curious about this blue, so hopefully this won't ruin it, but I'm just gonna take a little bit of it on my finger, and I'm gonna place it right here on the center of the eye and kind of just rub it around. That's not too bad, is it? Shit, I don't know. Okay, well, I have no idea what was and wasn't filming, but basically what I did was apply some blue to the lid, and then apply La Costa as a highlighter, and then a little bit up the lids, and then right in the center, I added a little dab of Celia, and then underneath the eyes, right up next to the lash line, I added a little bit of Cafecito. And I did apply a little bit of this brown to the waterline on the lower lash. It looks great. I'm very excited, and I smudged some out on top too, but I think a black line would honestly look a little bit cleaner, so I'm just gonna add a very thin line on top of black. Okay, so that thin line accidentally turned into a wing. I went a little bit too far, and I was like, fuck it, we'll do a tiny wing, and then the wing kept growing, and now we have this. Brows are filled in, mascara is on, and these lashes are definitely gonna be way too long for me, so let me go quick trim these up. Okay, those are very, very tiny. Like, I could literally pile 4 of these lashes on my eye. It's not like they look bad, because they don't look bad at all. They're very, very natural, but I feel like for this look, we need something a little bit more woof. But here's what it looks like on the eye. It's very, very pretty and very comfortable. Like, it's not scratchy like a lot of false eyelashes are. I like it. But I need something bigger, and oddly enough, that's not the first time I've said that. So instead, let's try these Ardell double up lashes. There we go. Not a whole lot bigger, but just enough to make a difference. For highlighter, I'm gonna go in once again with this tapered highlighter brush with some of Rodeo Drive. Yes, bitch, yes. I like this brush like a lot. And the last product we have to test is the Ophir lipstick, so let's go in with that. Oh, that shade is pretty. Ooh, that's really pretty, but just for fun, I'm gonna take a little dab of Ophir's Nude Potion right here in the center of the lips. And here we are with the final look. I actually don't mind that blue on the eyes at all. Like, it pairs really well with the orange. And I do wish I had a little bit more highlight, so let me take some of La Costa on this highlighter brush. Let's put a little bit of that right there on top of Rodeo Drive. There we go. The highlighter hoe is happy. I gotta say, I kind of fucking love this month's BoxyCharm box. Not everything in the box was a winner for me. Like, I don't know that I'll ever use this lotion again, mainly because it's so fragrant. Like, I can still smell it. We've been at this thing for like 2.5 hours. But these lashes are beautiful. This lipstick's beautiful. The palette's gorgeous. The brushes are amazing. This pencil seems to be holding up pretty good on my lower lid. So overall, I'm really fucking happy. And the total retail price for everything that we got today is over $130. Like, shit on a stick. That is not bad. This was the perfect start to summer box. So good job, BoxyCharm. Like I said before, if you yourself would like to become a BoxyCharmer, please feel free to use the link down below, but do not feel obligated to go through me. Like always, please be sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell down below so that you're notified anytime I upload a new video. Don't forget my newest collection of highlighters, including Black Ice, which does change from black to white, is available at thepopluxe.com. Also, my latest album, Kiss of Fame, is available everywhere online that music is sold. Thank you so much to everyone who's supporting them. Comment down below, let me know what you thought of this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. You can follow me on Snapchat, Instagram, and Twitter at officialnady, and you can follow me online at thepopluxe.com. Thank you so much for watching. I love you all, and I will see you again soon. Bye.